Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the quantiles. So the quantile are elements in a distribution that divide into equal groups. So they are elements in a distribution and they divide into equal groups. So they are also referred to as the fractiles. So it is also referred to as the fractiles. Quantiles are used for continuous, continuous and quantitative data. So they are used for the continuous and quantitative data. The median, if you see, is also considered as a quantile. The median is considered as a quantile and it divides the distribution into two parts. So divide distribution into two parts. So the median is also the same as a 15th percentile of the second quantile. So the median is equal to the 50th percentile and the second quantile. So now let's focus on the types of quantiles. So the types of quantiles, there are tertiles divide distribution into three equal groups. So tertile, it divides into three equal groups. And looking at the quartiles, it is into four equal groups, four equal parts. Then comes the quintiles. So quintiles divide the distribution into 5. Then comes deciles. It is into 10 equal parts. Then when you look at the quintiles, this is into 20 equal groups. Then when you look at the centiles, they are also known as they are also called the percentiles, and they are commonly used especially for the ranking marks in exam. So for the ranking marks, and this will be in the exam. So they divided distribution into 100 equal parts. So it is divided into 100 equal parts. And here the median is same as the 50th percentile. So the median is equal to the 50th percentile. And the formula to arrive at a rank order of a value R. So that is equal to P by 100 into n plus 1. So here R, if you see, is nothing but the rank. The rank of the desired observation and then P, if you see, is the percentile, which is desired. Next, if you look at N is the number of variables in data, number of variables in the data.